children, today we are going to start with chapter first, that is living in the northern mountains. So in this chapter, I will tell you about the Western Himalayas, Eastern Himalaya and Northeastern hills. On the northern edge of India stretch a mighty Himalayas. आपको Himalayas देखने को मिलेंगे and the tallest mountain range in the world. जो हिमालय है वो क्या है? Tallest mountain range है. And their name means a knob of snow and true to it, therefore it is a towering peak remain covered with snow throughout the year. And what it is creating? It is creating breathtaking scenery and influencing the climate of entire region. Then we have Western Himalaya. So what are Western Himalayas? It's joined into two parts, Western Himalaya and Eastern Himalayas. So the state of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Where does they lie? They lies in the Western Himalaya, while West Bengal, Sikkim and Northeastern state. Where does it lies? It lies in the Eastern Himalaya. So there are some states that you must learn like Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. वो Western Himalaya में lie करती हैं. And we have other states like West Bengal, Sikkim और Northeastern state. वो कहाँ lie करते हैं? Eastern Himalaya. The main occupation of the people in the mountainous region are farming. क्या क्या है main occupation? वो है farming, rearing, sheep rearing, goat and handicraft. And most of the people live in valleys. Valleys में रहते हैं. And what did they do? They grow a fruit subsistence crop like rice, maize, vegetables and fruits. To check soil erosion, they practice terrace farming method. Right? वो terrace farming methods का use करते हैं. And houses in this region have sloping roof so that snow can slide off easily. जो snow है वो easily slide off करते हैं. They are usually small and made from local material and built close to the field. Right? Jammu and Kashmir, Union Territory. लद्दाख लाइज इन एक्सट्रीम नॉर्थ ऑफ इंडिया. दोनों कहाँ लाई करते हैं? एक्सट्रीम नॉर्थ में लाई करते हैं. राइट? These mountains places famous for their natural beauty. They're rightly called heaven of the earth. We have Srinagar, that is the capital of Jammu and Kashmir. और आपकी लेह किसकी कैपिटल है? लद्दाख की. The land surface of the place is made up of high mountains. किसका बना है? High mountains का and several valleys. The Indus, Jhelum and Chenab flow through this area and there are several lakes here. We have Ullar, which is the largest freshwater lake, and the Dal and Nagin are the other famous lake of Kashmir. Right? So the climate, कैसा है climate? बहुत ज़्यादा cold है. And we have Kashmiri ships keeps themselves warm with kangri, a small boat with burning coal in. They keep it inside the clothes. Several during the summer season, जब summer season की हम बात करें, जो कश्मीरी people हैं, what they do farming and produce rice, maize, ragga. They grow fruits like apple, peaches, cherries, walnut and kesar. They also rear sheep and goats for the wool. ये किसको rear करते हैं? Sheep को, goats को wool के लिए. During the winter season, people stay at home and make handicraft. और handicraft बनाते हैं किससे? Wood से, brass से, silver से और paper. Kashmiri men and women wear firans and salwar. They eat rice, fish and vegetable. What they speak? Kashmiri. Kashmiri बोलते हैं. डोगरी लद्दाखी उर्दू. They drink special tea. जिसे हम क्या कहते हैं? खेवा. Right? So Jammu and Kashmir has several tourist attractions like Nishat Garden, Salimar Garden, Gulmarg, Pahalgam, Amarnath Cave, Vaishno Devi Temple, Hazratmal Shah Mehman Mosque. Now Himachal Pradesh is situated in the middle Himalayas, which is also called Himachal region. Capital Shimla है, किसके लिए famous है? Hill station. Right, there are many tourist places in the Himachal Pradesh. Kullu and Manali are very famous valley. The other famous places are Kasauli, Solan, Chel और Kufri. Right, Dalhousie and Dharamshala. They are also the famous hill station. दोनों क्या है? Famous hill station है. Karizar and Chamba district called mini Switzerland due to its natural Jwalamukhi temple in Kangra district is famous. Dashera is famous festival of Kullu. The people of Himachal Pradesh, what they do? They grow crops like rice, maize and wheat. And it is famous for its orchards like apple, apricots, plum, peaches. Many people wear sheep and wool. The people of Himachal Pradesh make beautiful handicrafts of wool and woolen shawls. Main language spoken is Hindi and the man wear long shirts with pajama and women wear kurta pajama scarves. Man also wear a colorful cap. Nati is famous dance of Himachal Pradesh. Right? Then we have Uttarakhand, which was created on 9th November 2000. Earlier it was a part of Uttar Pradesh. Right? Uttarakhand आपके दो लाए जाते हैं, गढ़वाल एंड कुमाऊं. मसूरी इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल हिल स्टेशन इन गढ़वाल, जिसको हम क्वीन ऑफ हिल्स कहते हैं। नैनीताल इज अ हिल स्टेशन। नैनीताल क्या है? हिल स्टेशन है जो आपको कुमाऊं हिल में मिलता है। देहरादून इज सिचुएटेड इन द दून वैली इन द is the capital of Uttarakhand. River Ganga rises from Gangotri Glacier. Gangotri and River Yamuna from Yamunotri. Main occupation क्या है लोगों की? Farming. And what they do? They rear sheep and goat. Rice, wheat and vegetables are the main crop. Right? Now we have Eastern Himalaya, which is Sikkim, and it is the small state of Eastern Himalaya. Right? It has high mountain and deep valley. Kanchenjunga is the third highest peak. गैंगटॉक आपकी कैपिटल है सिक्किम की, ठीक है। सबसे हाईएस्ट पिक है कंचनजंगा और इट्स कैपिटल इज योर गैंगटॉक। पीपल ग्रो राइस, व्हीट, maize, barley, potatoes, this scattered terraced field. Sikkim state is famous for orchards. Oranges and the apples are the main fruits grown in orchards. Weaving, canning and handicraft. Weaving, canning and handicrafts are the famous cottage and small scale industry in the state. इसकी रैंक हाईएस्ट है in the production of cardamom in India. Lepchas and Bhutias, these are the original inhabitants of Sikkim. People keep Sikkimis, Nepalis and Lepcha, they wear beautiful hand woven clothes. Women wear long skirt. इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? बाकू. West Bengal. Only the northern part of West Bengal is in the mountain range. Darjeeling जो है वो famous hill station है इंडिया का, which is known for the high quality tea. It is connected by rail and Siliguri, and the rail journey from Siliguri to Darjeeling is very fascinating. Next is northeastern hilly states. First is Arunachal Pradesh. Then we have Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Manipur, and Nagaland. These are also called seven sister state because जो इनकी फिजियोग्राफी है, इनका क्लाइमेट है और इनका वे ऑफ लिविंग है, सब क्या है? सिमिलर है, राइट। नाउ अरुणाचल प्रदेश कंसिस्ट ऑफ ईस्टर्न हिमालय रेंज. Itanagar is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh. River Brahmaputra flowing through a large territory in China enters India in Arunachal Pradesh. The word Arunachal Pradesh means land of rising sun. The traditional method of agriculture here is jhum, which is a kind of string cultivation. And India's largest monastery is at Tawang. Then we have Assam over here, which lies in the foothills of Himalayas. The northern hilly tract, जो बहुत ज़्यादा fertile है, forested है. Brahmaputra is the main river flowing through the state. Farming main occupation है. They grow rice, jute, coconut, sugar, oilseeds and potatoes over here. Right, handloom and bamboo and cane products are popular. They speak Assamese. Women wear long flowing skirt called mekhla. Bihu famous festival है Assamese का, which is celebrated with great joy. Capital क्या है असम की? Capital is Dispur, right? And Manas in Kaziranga is the famous wildlife sanctuary to attract many tourists. Next is Meghalaya, means a dome of clouds. Meghalaya is a hilly state. Garo Khasi Janta Hill are the part of it. Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya. State has a wet climate. Climate कैसा है? Wet है. चेरापूंजी एंड मासिंगराव ये सबसे वेटेस्ट प्लेस है, मतलब यहाँ पे जो बारिश है वो रेगुलर होती है, राइट। मेजॉरिटी ऑफ पीपल इन मेघालय आर ट्राइब्स. गारो और खासी आर द मेजर ट्राइब. हर एक ट्राइब की अपनी लैंग्वेज है, उनके अपने कस्टम्स है एंड दे आर फाउंड ऑफ वियरिंग कलरफुल क्लोथ्स, सिंगिंग एंड डांसिंग. मणिपुर की बात करें हम, ज्वेल ऑफ इंडिया, पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने इनका नाम दिया है. ब्यूटीफुल स्टेट सिचुएटेड इन द शेडो ऑफ हिल्स. देयर आर मेनी लेक्स इन मणिपुर. Manipuri dance is famous all over the world. The state has made progress in agriculture. Vishnu Temple and Loktak Lake, famous tourist attraction है मणिपुर का. Handloom is the biggest industry. केबुल लामजो ये क्या है? पहला फ्लोटिंग नेशनल पार्क है जो आपका सबसे बड़ा अट्रैक्शन है मणिपुर का. त्रिपुरा small state with hills and valleys. Agartala is the capital of Tripura. People on the hills practice jhum cultivation. What they grow? Fruits and tea. They also rear pigs and poultry. Handloom, handicrafts or bamboo articles achieve cottage industries. Most of the people speak Bangla over here and Kokbruk language. Women are fond of colorful dresses and silver jewelries. Next is Mizoram, land of hills and valley. Valleys और hills के लिए जाना जाता है. Aizawl इसकी capital है. They are called Mizos, tribal people. Most of them live by farming. They grow rice, maize, potato, ginger and tobacco. वो banana और pineapple grow करते हैं. And bamboo and cane articles are also famous handicrafts of Mizoram. Right, Nagaland, hilly state है. Homeland of the Naga people, Kohima capital है. Naga dance famous है. With colorful clothes decorated with shells, bones, feathers and homes. Rice, maize, millet and oranges are grown here. Nagas wear shawls of different design. Nagas are also good craftsmen. ठीक है, क्या है, ये अच्छे craftsmen है. Right, so this is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.